Hi everyone, I'm Gary Brown from Street Smart Self-Defense, and today I want to show you a very quick workout that you can do whilst you're waiting for your kettle to boil. The exercises that I'm about to show you are also part of our Kick Fit program. Okay, so to begin with, we're just going to click the kettle on, just like so, and from there I want you to step out into a horse stance position. I want you to put your hands out to the side. I want your feet facing the front. I want you to keep your back straight and your bum tucked in. From there, I simply want you to do some squats. So we're just going to go from here. We're going to squat all the way down, keeping our back straight, bum tucked in, and come back up. Down, up, down, up. We're just going to keep repeating that for a few moments. Make sure you're keeping that back nice and straight and that bum tucked in. You should be able to feel a nice pull in your actual stomach, so you're actually tensing your core at the same time. Try to breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Very good. If you'd like a slight variation on this, move your arms to the front. Again, making sure you keep your back nice and straight and that bum tucked in. That's it, good guys. Just keep going. Very good. And another variation, just place your hands above your head. Again, keep that back straight and the bum tucked in there. Very good, guys. Okay, we'll show you from a slightly different angle. Again, try and keep your back nice and straight and your bum tucked in. So from here, nice and slowly. Good. Again, remember you can move your arms to here, out to the side, and you can also have them above your head. That kettle is almost boiled. Good. Slight variation on doing a squat. Put your feet together like so. Place your hands on your knees and just squat like so. Again, nice and slowly. Trying to keep your feet flat on the floor. Breathing in through your nose and out. Nice and slowly. And again, from a different angle, just before that kettle is fully boiled. Just like so, nice and slowly. And there you have it. A very quick exercise that you can do in the comfort of your own home whilst you're waiting for your kettle to boil. Enjoy your cuppa.